Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the right microphone and giving permission. Go to Sound Settings, set your VR headset as the default recording device, then open Device Properties. Once there, change the sample rate to 48,000 Hz and turn off exclusive control so apps can't hijack audio. Make sure Oculus/Steam VR has microphone access in privacy. If you're on QuestLink, allow the headset mic prompt. After those changes, restart the VR runtime and launch Gorilla Tag to continue. Next, you dive into Gorilla Tag's voice settings. Choose the identical system mic so the game reads the same input. You should set range and in-game volume to a sensible middle value, then tweak the mic sensitivity or threshold until background noise is minimized, but your voice reliably transmits. Once done, disable any other voice apps like Discord overlay or virtual audio cables that can compete for the mic. Relaunch the match after applying settings, so in-game voice initializes cleanly. Finally, you verify the fix by joining a private lobby and asking a friend to confirm your voice. Speak naturally and check their feedback. If you still face silence, update or reinstall headset audio drivers and ensure the VR runtime is up to date, then reboot. As a last targeted troubleshooting tip, run the Windows microphone troubleshooter and try a different USB port or cable. Many mic failures are simple hardware out or permission issues that those steps resolve quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.